If you've been wondering whether Samsung is finally listening to Ultra fans, especially about that camera design, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is where it starts. The very first thing that hits you? Those camera rings. They're actually changing this time, and to see why that matters, we have to look at what Samsung did last year. The Galaxy S25 Ultra launched with those bold vinyl-style camera rings, textured, ridged, wrapping each sensor like a record. They grabbed attention instantly, but a lot of fans weren't convinced. To many, they felt loud, a bit plasticky, and not as premium as an Ultra should. Now, a trusted Samsung insider, Ice Universe, who has already seen the real S26 Ultra, says Samsung is officially scrapping that vinyl ring design. And it really feels overdue. The Ultra series has long been known for its floating camera lenses, but those fine Saturn textures around them never quite delivered that true flagship vibe. The S26 Ultra is set to change that. The new camera rings completely drop the textured circles and move to a clean, polished metal finish. Minimal, smooth, and refined. Some people are already comparing this style to the metal rings on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but that's only part of the shift. Samsung is also slimming down the metal rim around each lens. The result looks tighter, sharper, and noticeably more premium than what we saw on the S25 Ultra. This time, you can tell Samsung is focusing on solid build quality instead of flashy design tricks, and that shift shows in the overall camera layout. All of this adds up to a minimalist look that finally feels worthy of the Ultra name. That metallic finish pulls the S26 Ultra closer to what a true premium flagship should feel like in your hand. So the simple question is, are you into this cleaner approach, or do you actually miss those bold old rings? Design changes don't stop there. A new rumor targets the S Pen. The Galaxy S26 Ultra stylus is expected to get an asymmetrical arc at the end, shaped to better follow the phone's curved sides. Remember, the S25 Ultra already moved to a more rounded frame compared to the S24 Ultra. Interestingly, the S Pen itself didn't change in 2025. It stayed the same despite that new frame. In 2026, that could finally be different. These fresh S Pen details line up with early Galaxy S26 Ultra stylus renders we first saw back in September, which now look more convincing than ever. The S Pen is still one of the Ultra's strongest selling points, something rival flagships haven't matched. What we don't know yet is whether Samsung will bring back the features it removed last year, like remote camera control and gesture support, cuts that annoyed a lot of longtime Ultra users. There's more. Samsung's next Ultra might not just look refreshed, it might feel completely different as a product. According to Ice Universe, new leaks are giving us a clearer picture of how the Galaxy S26 Ultra could launch, and this time, the buzz isn't really about sensors or specs. The focus shifts to emotion, identity, and visual attitude. The rumored color lineup includes black shadow, white shadow, galactical blue, and ultraviolet. Those names sound bold, dramatic, and expressive, pulling away from the colder, more industrial feel we've seen on recent generations. What's even more intriguing is what seems to be missing. The usual titanium branding appears to be gone. That quiet omission could mark a major change in direction. Less talking about materials on the surface, more about mood, depth, and personality and how the phone is presented. Black shadow and white shadow suggest a more refined, elegant side of the Ultra, while galactical blue and ultraviolet push a stronger, cosmic kind of energy. If these leaks end up being accurate, Samsung could be preparing its most artistic and expressive Ultra refresh so far.